decision making is a long process. When we are trying to make any decision, keep the business in mind, and of course keep the customer also in mind at the same time. And the second aspect is, how does one take this particular decision based on the facts rather than fictions, based on the reality rather than hearsay, is something which is very, very critical for any kind of decision making. One should base their decisions on science. One should base their decision on data and the insights that the data provide.
Most important point or the advantage of having a data is it gives you confidence in terms of decision making. I can say, at least with my own experience, that maybe even less than 50% of my decision making is still based on the data, which shows us that there is a lot of things to be done in this space.
Where to basically focus on. And that is where the data analytics, data mining, and getting into deeper insights, like doing predictive, have been come handy to it.
So if we focus on the mindsets, number two on the capability building, today is the era of reverse mentoring also. So it is important that at senior level, we have a reverse mentoring through the data scientists so that they get used to the data points.
So I think if you think about combining all of that together, it's insights which are business aligned, insights which are contextual, insights which are actionable. And then, of course, the question is, how do you apply intelligent technologies like AI, ML to make it happen?